everyone, Liga here and welcome back again to Alay Car Accessories. So for today's video is may ipapakita kong isang product sa inyo na talaga magugustuhan nyo, especially sa mga taong mahilig na laging amoy bago yung loob ng sasakyan.
Linis ka ng linis ng sasakyan mo? Akala mo ba mapapaalis mo kaming mga bakterya dito? Hindi!
So this is a CarSense, an organic air freshener in citrus scent.
Marami kasi sa atin focus lang sa exterior and interior cleaning. So having a good car scent is important because it helps keep your car smelling fresh, especially if you are always on the road, may passengers ka or madalas kumain inside the car. And it also helps eliminate unwanted odors that can come from bacteria, food, or moisture inside the vehicle. So it is better to use car scent that actually removes bad odor.
So guys, magmula na ma-discover ko to, ayoko na ng mga spray or liquid air freshener, especially yung mga sinasabit dito sa loob ng sasakyan. And guys, bukod sa mas safe and mas mabango siya, mas naglo-long last kasi talaga yung amoy niya dito sa loob ng sasakyan.